Get ready to stay active, have some fun, and make new friends using your fitness benefit. Your Medicare Advantage plan includes a fitness program benefit with Silver Sneakers or Silver&Fit. Wondering which program is included in your benefit? Learn which program you have by checking your plan materials. You can also visit silverandfit.com. Click Participating Health Plans at the top of your screen and enter your state. If you don't see your health plan listed, you likely have your fitness benefit through Silver Sneakers. In this video, we will focus on the Silver&Fit program and benefits. With the Silver&Fit program, you have the flexibility to work out at a participating fitness center and take online classes from home, all at no extra cost to you. There are many different workout class options, and the majority of the classes are designed specifically for seniors by top fitness instructors. This means that no matter your abilities, your interests, or your fitness level, there's something for you. Ready to start working on your fitness goals? Let's talk about your options. In-person workouts. Your fitness benefit helps cover the cost of membership at participating fitness center or gyms. There are over 15,000 participating locations to choose from, including national gyms, local community centers, and more. An in-person gym membership is a great option if you want to take fitness classes with a live instructor, enjoy exercising with others, want access to a wide variety of equipment like treadmills, weight machines, dumbbells, and more. Think attending in person would keep you accountable to your fitness goals. Fitness centers also have staff members who can help answer questions and show you how to use equipment. Plus, you'll be able to meet new friends in group classes like yoga, strength training, aquatics, or Zumba. Classes are designed for seniors of all fitness levels, from beginner to advanced. Each location has different class options and schedules. When picking a gym, make sure the fitness class options and times work for you. Some amenities at the gym you may choose may not be offered with your standard membership. Visit silverandfit.com to check your eligibility and find a gym location near you. At-home workouts. Do you want to work out in the comfort and privacy of your home? No problem. Your plan also offers flexible at-home exercise options. Live online workout classes are offered Monday through Friday on YouTube and Facebook Live. Each class is 30 minutes and led by an instructor. You can check the Silver&Fit website to see the class times, class options, and learn more about the instructors. Here, you'll also find links to YouTube and Facebook Live when you are ready to start your workout. You will join at a specific time to take your workout class. Don't worry, you won't be seen on camera. You can even invite your friends to join your online class so you can work out together. On-demand workouts. If you want to work out from home on your own time, you can use the Silver&Fit library of on-demand exercise videos. You can watch these videos at any time from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Workout options include cardio, strength, dance, yoga, tai chi, meditation, and cycling. Choose from different fitness levels. Whether you have 15 minutes or an hour, there is a class for you. You don't need to sign up for a class ahead of time or commit to a certain time. Plus, you can get a personalized workout plan that includes a series of on-demand workout videos by answering a few questions on the Silver&Fit website. Visit silverandfit.com and click Check Eligibility to get started. You can also work out at home using a home fitness kit, a bundle of equipment that can be sent to your residence. You can pick a home fitness kit based on your fitness interests and goals. Options include a fitness tracker like a Fitbit or Garmin, a yoga kit, which may include a mat, yoga blocks, or straps, strength equipment such as resistance bands and hand weights, a Pilates kit, which includes a Pilates ball and hand towel, a swim kit, which may include goggles, a kickboard, or aquatic gloves, or walking and trekking poles. You can select one kit per plan year. You can mix and match your fitness with in-person, live online classes, on-demand videos, and a yearly fitness kit. Your benefit includes them all. Well-Being Club. Feel connected to your community through the Silver&Fit Well-Being Club. The Well-Being Club is a fun and easy way to improve your health through virtual events. In the Well-Being Club, you can learn more about nutrition, weight management, and healthy aging with exclusive articles and videos. Join live streaming workouts and workshops from home. Connect with others in the Silver&Fit community through virtual events and find resources to connect with others in person. Well-Being Coaching. If you are looking for a little extra support with your fitness, nutrition, and lifestyle goals, try the Well-Being Coaching Program. You can talk one-on-one with a coach about your lifestyle goals during scheduled phone, video, or chat sessions. The kickoff session lasts for up to 30 minutes, with follow-up sessions lasting about 15 minutes. Whether you have been wanting to start a fitness routine, make new friends, or continue exercising, your fitness benefit offers it all. You can check your eligibility for the Silver&Fit program by visiting silverandfit.com. Questions? We're here to help. Contact Member Services at the phone number on the back of your health plan member ID card, TTY 711. We are here from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 7 days a week between October 1st and March 31st, and from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday between April 1st and September 30th.